Welcome back to Gecko's Garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, Tilly Tow Truck! It's Eric, the excavator! I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar trap. Oh, Blue, I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach! And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye! It's Dylan the dump truck. How can we help you today? You're having problems with your dumper? Go, mechanicals! I see. Your dumper keeps dumping itself. Let's have a look. I think the piston needs replacing. Pulling this lever will stop it dumping, whilst I fetch a new piston. This will fix the problem.
Oh.
Huh? How did that get flipped back? Oh, so it was you plugging the cable back in. Oh, that's okay. You've had some fun. Now let's get the work all done. That's your new piston fitted, Dylan. But I've got an idea for this old piston. Okay, mechanicals, all done. Check out your brand new slide, built using Dylan's old piston. Almost back at the garage, mechanicals. Whoa! Someone's dropped rubbish on the road. There's lots of it, and Mama Recycle does not look happy. Come on, if we follow the trail, we'll find out who's dropping it. The trail goes to the left. It's Dylan, the dump truck. His broken tailgate's dropping litter. But his music's so loud he doesn't notice. Mechanicals! We've got to turn down Dylan's music. Let's recycle and save the day. Using things we've thrown away. Dylan!
Oh?
Your tailgate's broken. But don't worry, I'll fix it. While Mama recycle and the mechanicals sort the rubbish. All done. How's the recycling going? See you again soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Dylan, turn it down. Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Kerry. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh, no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye!
And then I saw it, coming out of the dark with great glowing eyes and huge wobbly wheels. It was the ghost truck!
Oh, it's okay, mechanicals. It's just a story. There's no such thing as ghosts. Are there, Grandma?
Of course not. But scary stories are so much fun.
I wonder where Tilly's got to with those marshmallows. Just a few more twigs for the fire, please, Yellow. Yellow? A ghost? It can't be! Marshmallows?
Ghost marshmallows? That's new.
We don't need to be afraid or act all silly. Because it's not a ghost. It's our friend Tilly.
It was a dark, stormy night.
No more ghost stories, Grandma.
All right, no ghosts. But let me tell you about the creepy were-kangaroo of Cowabunga Canyon.
Ho, ho, ho! Hello, everyone. Santa Gecko here with my elves. It's Christmas time, and Gecko's Garage has transformed into Gecko's Grotto. We have a list of festive fixes for some of our friends. Their presents are wrapped and ready for my merry mechanicals to fit them. Ah! Wrenches and reindeer. They're here. Get ready, everyone. Ho, ho, ho! Welcome, Vicky, Fiona and Mama Recycle. I heard you've all been very good this year. First on the list is Vicky. You asked for a new ice cream cone. Go on into the grotto. Your gift awaits. And Fiona, you wanted a new fire hose. Your watery wish will be granted. Aha! Mama Recycle, you asked for a new grabbing arm. Let my elves grab that for you. Ho, ho, ho! Oh, no, no, no! Something's not right! A grabbing arm for Fiona, an ice cream cone for Mama Recycle, and a hose for Vicky? Oh, no! We have a mechanical mix-up! There. Don't be upset now. Everyone makes mistakes. What's important is you try to fix them. Grab your tools, it's fixing time! And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on all, let's try again and match the right present to the right friend. Grabbing arm, ice cream, hose. Let's work out where each one goes. A hose sprays water when things get hot. Fiona Fire Truck will use this a lot. Mama Recycle's grabbing arm is next. To pick up the waste that she collects. One more fix left for our team. So let's attach Vicky's giant ice cream. Way to go, Merry Mechanicals! You fixed the mix-up just in time for Christmas! When mistakes happen, it's always best to fix them. Until next time, everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! Hello, everyone. Baby Truck's here for a play date with the Mechanicals. I'll come play soon. I just need to finish changing Fiona Fire Truck's wheels. Oh! Someone needs our help. Oh no! There's a fire and Fiona can't help. Her new wheels haven't arrived yet. What will we do? Aha! That's it! The car wash! Baby Truck, how would you like to be a fire truck for the day? Go, go, baby fire truck! It's okay, Trevor. No need to fear. Gecko's firefighters are here. Oh no! We've sprung a leak! Take over, Red! Oh, good, Red! No problem, Trevor. Ah, and well done, baby. You make a really good fire truck. Bye, everyone! Hello, everyone. We're just upgrading Eric's arm so he can dig holes even faster.
Ha! Call that an excavator? What rubbish! Behold, Sly's new mega drill! You don't stand a chance, Frog. I'm the finest mechanic in history. Watch. Help! I can't... Stop!
Oh, no. Mr. Weasel's drill is out of control. Go, go, Mechanicals! Red, are you okay? Aha! Mr. Weasel's magnet. Of course. Eric, I have an idea. Your arm is strong, so it's okay. Let's use this magnet to save the day. No, Eric!
I hate that!
You're safe now, Mr. Weasel. But, oh dear, there's a lot of mess to clean up.
I don't see why I should have to clean it up. This isn't my fault. I'm okay.
We'd better get a rope green. See you next time, everyone. Bye. There you are, Mummy Truck. Your new tyres should be all set. All right, Mechanicals. Let's load up that fence. We don't want another truck to get a flat tyre too. Baby truck! Wait! You mustn't go off by yourself! Baby truck, where are you? Spinning screwdrivers! With this rain, we'll need eyes in the sky to find Baby Truck. Ah, that's it! Cat, can you hear me? It's Gecko. We've lost Baby Truck. Can you help?
Claro que sí, Gecko. I'm on my way. Oh, I see tire tracks. Follow me.
Come on, Mummy Truck. We'll find your baby.
No te preocupes, baby truck. Grab on.
Of course! Baby Truck needs her dummy to feel safe. But how can we get it to her?
Think faster, Gecko. The water is rising.
I have an idea. Here you go, Baby Truck. Now let's get out of here. We're all safe. But next time, remember to never go off by yourself, Baby Truck. Thanks for the help, Cat.
No problema.
Oh,
Oops. Looks like the next stop is Gecko's car wash.
hello, everyone. Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, baby truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, mechanicals? Ah! Huh? Oh. Baby truck! Wait! Oh no. We frightened baby truck away. Don't worry, mummy truck. We'll find her. Quick, mechanicals! We need to find baby truck. Poor baby truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, baby truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, baby truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, baby truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! You can do it, Molly! Hooray! Oh, she's done it! Don't worry, Molly. We'll rescue your teddy. Come on, everyone. Oh, what? The teddy's on Fiona. Follow that fire truck. Fiona! Stop! Ooh, what the?
Hop it, Frog! Let me past! Wilma T. Weasel coming through! No! The light is always red!
Wait, Fiona! I need to look on your roof. Nuts and bolts! It's gone!
About time. Well, well, a new mascot to share our journeys with, Sly. Where's my camera? I want to take a photo. And maybe I'll use the teddy to clean my windows too. Yeah.
Oh, we'll keep looking, Molly. Don't worry. We would get a better view from the sky. Spinning screwdrivers! It's Molly's teddy! Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Where's it gone, Sly? It can't have just vanished.
Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the Bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, mechanicals! Ow! No, that's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Looking spooky, mechanicals. You're all ready for Halloween. Even Tilly is joining in. What's the matter, Green? There's a monster outside. I'd better take a look. Don't worry, mechanicals. There's no such thing as monsters. Hello? Hello? Are you okay, friend? Come into the light. Oh dear, Max. You need a Halloween clean. Let's get you in the car wash. Don't worry, mechanicals. Remember, there are no monsters. When you're ready, Max. There you go, Max. Not so scary anymore. Happy Halloween, everyone! What? Huh? Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye! There you go, Mummy Truck. Your indicators will work fine now. Lucky I always carry spare bulbs. It's Molly playing with her favourite toy. And Baby Truck too. Make sure you share it. Poor Baby Truck. You've got a boo-boo, but you'll be okay, I promise. Molly? Let's take a look at you now, Molly. Are you okay? Huh? Oh no! Molly is leaking oil. I don't have the tools to fix her here. We need to get you back to the garage. Fast! I'm going to need your help, Baby Truck. Can you keep the road clear so I can get Molly to the garage quickly? Everyone, let's move at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Huh? Oh no! Eric and Dylan are blocking the road. Thanks, Eric and Dylan. Well done, Baby Truck. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Don't worry, Molly, we're here for you. Our fix will make you good as new. Teamwork and tools will help us mend any part of any friend. We weld and fix and check and then stick all the parts together again. This fix has made you as strong as before, so you won't leak oil anymore. Oh, we couldn't have done it without your help, Baby Truck. Oh, and look! Blue's fixed the toy truck. Well done, Blue. And great sharing, you two. I'm so proud of you both. Bye, everyone. Wow, great job, mechanicals. A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gecko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect.
We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels, whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine.
Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet.
Hello, everyone. We're off to visit Kat. She asked me to bring some special things belonging to my grandpa. And here we are. Wow-wee! Oh, Kat. Are you here? We saw your lovely display and... Huh?
Cálmate, Gecko.
Huh?
It's just face paint for Dia de los Muertos.
Dia de los Muertos? What's that?
It means Day of the Dead. My family celebrates this holiday to remember our loved ones who have passed on. Mi ama, my mother, was an ace pilot. This was her compass. Do you have anything for me, Grandpa?
My grandpa was an inventor. Before he died, he made the famous Gecko Specs, a nifty gadget to help you see better in all kinds of situations.
I know that horn. That's Bobby the bus. Sounds like he's in trouble. Oh, it's no good. It's too dark to see.
Gecko, ven acá. Helena's spotlight can find Bobby in the dark.
Good idea, Cat.
Still too dark. I can't see Bobby.
What would Grandpa do? We don't need extra light. These Gecko Specs work best at night. There! I see Bobby! Let's go in for a landing. I'll radio Tilly. Glad we heard you, Bobby. Looks like your battery's gone flat.
We can charge him at my base.
Perfect, Cat. And with a little towing, we can get Bobby going. A flat battery isn't much trouble, but needs recharging on the double. There you go. Your battery will be full by morning.
You did a fantastic job finding Bobby in the dark, Gecko.
It's thanks to you, Grandpa. Your Gecko Specs saved the day.
Even if you can't see him, your grandpa is still with you, Gecko.
Yes, I'm glad he is.
Hello, everyone. It's a hot, sunny day, and we're off to the beach. Soggy screwdrivers. The bridge is shut, and Vicky can't deliver her ice cream.
I must have ice cream!
Don't worry, everyone. We'll help Vicky get to the beach.
Come with us. There. I've made a couple of special tweaks to help Vicky get to the beach, but we may still need your rocket blue. Blue? Blue! Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help everyone in need of ice cream. Oh, we need some more speed. Now, Blue. worry, Vicky. A gecko always has a plan B. What a journey. Now, who wants an ice cream?
Out of the way, trash can! That's my ice cream! My ice cream!
See you next time, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for movie night here at the garage. How's it looking, Grandma?
The screen looks perfect, Gecky. Oh, hello there, Blue. I hope you're getting my good side.
Now we just need the truck family to bring the popcorn machine and we're ready.
Huh? Baby truck. Oh, what's wrong, dear?
Mummy Truck's in danger. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Baby Truck, lead the way. Spinning screwdrivers! Mummy Truck could fall into the river. Whether friends or family in need, us geckos help with care and speed. All set, Grandma! It's not working.
If only her trailer were lighter.
That's it. We can lighten Mummy Truck's load if we pop that corn. To stop Mummy Truck from dropping, I need to make this corn start popping.
Hurry, Gecky! That popcorn needs to pop faster.
Then let's boost the power. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, I know. Get ready for a popcorn storm. Go, Mummy Truck.
Grandma's got you, dear.
The taste of sweet success.
What movie are we watching, Gecky? Attack of the Giant Forklift?
No, it's a special premiere. Blue's film, A Brave Baby Truck's Rescue.
Ooh, I hear the cast is fabulous.
Oh, what a lovely sunny day. What on earth is that? Whoa!
With this big balloon, they'll be able to find my garage from miles around. Ha-ha! Who could that be? I'm busy. Max? More air for your tyres? Fine.
Wait! Mr. Weasel isn't putting air in Max's tyres. He's using the helium for the balloon. Which means... Don't worry, Max. I'm coming. Hey! Oh! Spinning screwdrivers!
How is it my fault?
Oh! Oh, don't panic, Max. We'll think of something. Max! If I let some air out of the tyres, we'll go whooshing along like a balloon. Oh! Ah! Ooh! That's it, Max. Aim for the garage. Ah, there you go, Max. Good as new.
I'll show that gecko once my advertising balloon is ready. Oh! Ah!